watching Channel 1 and this is the cooking series. Browse through the playlist or click on the eye icon above for gardening and travel. Warm greetings, your Korean uncle here in Holland, but first, my apologies for the attire. We have a heat wave in Europe. We've hit 37 today, and I have to stand next to the stove, so my apologies. But we will be cooking something exciting, something that brings back childhood memories. Guess what? It's Jollibee spaghetti, or spaghetti a la Jollibee. You know what? This is basically a spaghetti a la Bolognese if you're in Europe. The only difference is that the Filipinos have Americanized it by adding hot dog, and sugar, and further they made it kiddie friendly and kiddie exciting by adding milk, believe it or not. And that's what we're doing. The ingredients for this recipe, of course, since this is spaghetti, we need tomato sauce and tomato paste. To stir fry that, we need the classic sofrito mix, onion and garlic, of course with oil. Now, for the meat part, for the sahog, pork, ground pork, if you don't have access to ground pork in your area, 20% fat beef can work. We need ham, this big. This is available in Europe, but the problem is in Europe we don't have the American style pure foods, etc. So we have this 6 pieces of American hot dog. It may not be red as what we have in the Philippines that most children love, but this is hot dog. Cheese, we need cheese. Of course, what's pasta? What's pasta sauce without cheese? I'll save the rest of the cheese for toppings for garnishing later on. Salt and pepper. And to further enhance the taste, I'll be using beef cubes. Let's start the preparation. Let's start the stir fry. It's good to just add sufficient amount to avoid the meat from sticking. I purposely use this casserole for its color. By the way, I'll be giving the proportions at the description box below. We don't have to wait until the meat turns completely brown. As long as it's not pink, it's good. Our fork here has rendered, so I can add the garlic now and the onion. I should have finely chopped the garlic. And the onions. I'm confused a bit. I should have chopped them finely. I'm also cooking another dish. That's why I was confused with which way to prepare the ingredients. I'll be cooking Flemish mussels as well, along with this. I'll add the chopped ham now. And the tomato paste and sauce. This may sound as culinary anomaly, but in the Philippines they've started adding milk to it because this is a kiddie recipe, so it should be appealing to kids. So they started adding milk, even condensed milk. We don't have that, but instead I'll be adding full cream milk. I'll add approximately 1 cup to make it creamy. And sugar. Yeah, I am reluctant to do this, but that's how they do it. I don't even have sugar. This might not be enough, so I will water this down. Water down. More. Let's just wait. I'll use all the hardened sugar from this jar. Let's give it time. Now I understand why the Jollibee spaghetti is a bit whitish in color. It's the milk. And let's enhance the flavor further by adding beef cube. I think the reason why they use pork or ground pork is it's fattier, but we need that beef flavor, and we get that through this beef cubes. It's been boiling for 5 minutes now. I can add the rest of the ingredients, of the softer ingredients. The hot dogs, it's not red, but as I've said, we don't have access to pure foods and Swiss brand here in Europe. And the cheese. Let's simmer it further around 2 to 5 more minutes and we're done. It is sufficiently simmered, I think. It's been boiling for more than 15 minutes now. Let's taste it. I did not expect that sugar and milk will have that effect. I have been taught to the Bolognese style or Bolognese style, but the Filipino style is heavenly. Now I understand why every child is crazy over this Jollibee recipe or over this Jollibee spaghetti. Who says the Philippines has the most boring food in Asia? That's not true. We have Jollibee spaghetti. Now I'm proud to be a Pinoy. I feel like singing my national anthem. Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw, tahanan ng Jollibee. Seriously, this is delicious. And another twist of this cooking episode, I prepared this water for the spaghetti, but I ran out of spaghetti. What can we do? Let's use rice instead. Yeah, so it's spaghetti. It's Jollibee sauce and rice. It's the same effect. It's the same experience. Pasta and rice, what's the difference? And we have to eat it with what? And I even have my fork here. I'm even lost in my small kitchen. My fork is here. Yeah. Here, spaghetti or Jollibee rice spaghetti. This is Jollibee spaghetti sauce on white rice. I was born before Jollibee era, but this is really good. This is really good. I feel proud of being a Pinoy. Our food is not bad at all. Join me again next time as we explore more of the dishes from the homeland and other dishes from the other countries that we can adopt to our palate as Pinoys. Your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland. And again, sorry for my attire. We have a headway. Until next time, and Dios Tagmandi. Obviously, I had more portions than for one person, and I'll be freezing this, and perhaps tomorrow I'll be able to get pasta. This is an open invitation to my friends in Eindhoven. Visit me, and we will enjoy our spaghetti at the Jollibee. Thank you for joining your Kuya here in our adventures. Thank you for joining your Kuya here in our Jollibee recipe adventure. Join me again next time as we explore more dishes from the homeland. No, wag even. Niet stoppen. Our Pinoy dishes are not bad at all. Finally, I was able to go to the grocery store and buy pasta, so we can now enjoy our spaghetti, our Jollibee spaghetti with spaghetti, and not with rice.